Hello, everyone. Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. Okay, in this video, I am going to give out the several setups, trade setups, upcoming trade setups based on the index. Very, very good setup. So let me show you a little bit about the US dollar index. Here, you see this, I made this weekly chart on October 15 when it was here all the way making bullish candles, but I said, no, it's not going to go up. It's going to drop. First target was this. Second target was this TL. Third target was this TL into 0723 area and the rising TL, this intersection. So I had set 3 targets, right? So, so a lot of other charts I made in between, but today, as of yesterday, what happened actually, over the weekend, Saturday, I made the chart for the next setup is the reversal. What happened? This thing came all the way down, taking this out, and right here. Okay, let me show it to you. Current chart of US dollar index weekly chart is this. See the US dollar weekly index. To start to drop here, straight up, take out the first TL, the second TL. Now it's hit the third TL. This area is right there. It says 0723, but it was like there was a chance that it will drop here, but it is bouncing from this TL. Now you see that this is the chart I made on October 15 that is going to come all the way. This TL, 0723, it can bounce from here or here or here. So we came all the way down here, and now it's bouncing. Let me show you the current chart. See this? Touching, and then now posting a blue candle. I mean, the golden candle, right? So it is rising now slowly. Now, if it start to go, and if my chart is good, what will happen? US dollar will get strong, and this will happen. These 4 pairs will go down, and these 3 pairs will go up, right? More or less. Now, okay, but how do we know that which one is going up or which one is going down, and when to enter in the market? Now, the idea is that when US dollar is going to index is going to the upside and getting strong, this should happen. This must happen, right? But when to make the entry? So I have my setup. I have my system and my setup. So I'm going to use that. I will be waiting for my setup in these pairs. Short setups in these 4 pairs, long in these 3 pairs. Whatever is the setup or the strategy or the system you have, just make the entry. But this is what's going to happen. If US dollar goes up, we have multiple opportunity in hand in these 7 pairs again and again and again for several days to go short in these, to go long in these. I already have taken a UJ long. It gave me a long setup on the other computer. You can probably hear. Let me show you. Let me, you see this? This is USD, UJ long beeping, and I took my alarm is beeping for UJ long, and I took the trade already. But it's not, this is just getting started now. All right, we have a long way to go. So probably week or 2 weeks, this thing will be happening. These 4 pairs will be continue going to the downside, and these 3 will go up. So use your system to make the entries accordingly, and that's what it is. So just wanted to give you guys that this is what's happening, and you have I'm going to take my trade. So let me show you my setup. What I will be waiting for, the long setup for these UC, UJ, and UF. I don't trade UF, only UC and UJ. I will be looking something like this. See, this is a long setup. It was here down below the wave, and then all of a sudden, boom, it goes up, comes down here. Red candle turned blue. I open the trade right here, buy order, and the SL. When the price move away from my entry, I move my SL to break even, and then sit and watch, and then the game start for the daily range. The target is for the daily range. This 59.40 was the target for 215 pip because daily range of this pair is more than 200. So it travels every single day more than 200, right? No need to close the trade 40, 50 pip. No. If you make an early entry, yeah. And the short setup is just the opposite, like this. You see that? It was here. Your yellow turns below the black line, and this indicates all the way up, then blue candles, and now it's coming out right here. I opened the trade, red candles, several of them. I was a little late here, but still 90 pip. Easy peasy, right? To the target. All these are our entries. And let me see. See this gold chart? Here's the entry. Here's the entry. Here's the entry. Here's the entry. This system gives a lot of entries. Once you decide that which pair is going in which direction, which my US dollar index is determining now that, you know, this will happen. These 4 will go down. These 3 pairs will go up. I'll be looking for long setup in these. I already took the long in UJ, but I can guarantee you that in coming days, I will be taking a lot of long in UJ and UC and shorts in pound USD is right now making a short. So I might be able to take that, but eur-usd is still not making us the setup. And AU and NU, I don't trade. AU is on the other computer and not in this computer. So in this computer, maybe I'll be, but even if I take it there, then I'm gonna, you know, copy the whole trade, the photo, and then bring it and then show it to you guys later on, that how I plan the trade and then trade my plan. So this is the plan, that if USD start going to the upside, this will happen, and then I'll be looking for my setup, long setup in these, short setup in these, and I'll be taking my trades, and then later on I'll show it to you. Now, I will be making these videos with the setups, you know, sometimes like now the US dollar index and USD pairs, maybe tomorrow yen pairs, maybe the day after tomorrow pound pairs, right? Wherever the setup is. So every day, 1 or 2 setup, I will make the video and then, you know, give it out that you can trade very easily, right? If you have a good system to make the entry, then, you know, you'll be doing very good. So if you want those, but the thing is that you have to watch the video very quickly, because if I give you a setup and then you watch the setup after 6 hours later, or maybe 10 hours later, 4 or 5 hours later, the setup may have been played out already, right? So for that, subscribe to my channel so that if as soon as I upload the video, you can get it quickly, and then you watch it and then prepare yourself, and then, you know, if you want to trade. If not, then it's okay, you know. So I just wanted to give out some, you know, and make these videos public so that anybody wants to take advantage of these setups and then take it. All right. So just wanted to give you guys this heads up about this upcoming US dollar setup. Long setup, US dollar will be getting strong, and this will be happening. So trade accordingly. All right. So like I said, that if you want my next video with the setups, maybe I'm going to make the pound video or the yen video, the what's happening and which pair is going to go where. Just subscribe to the channel so that you will get my video immediately as soon as I upload, so that you can take advantage of those setups. Okay. Bye for now, and talk to you guys tomorrow, maybe, or maybe in the evening. Whenever I get a good setup, I'll make the video and then post. Okay. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.